Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Emergency brake shoe replacement, a straightforward guide. When it comes to vehicle safety, the emergency or parking brake system plays a crucial role in ensuring a secure stop when needed. One essential component of this system is the brake shoes. Brake shoes are a fundamental part of the emergency brake system, providing the necessary friction to stop the vehicle when the parking brake is engaged. Faulty brake shoes can lead to serious safety issues, such as the vehicle rolling unexpectedly, especially when parked on an incline. It is imperative to understand the importance of regular maintenance and timely replacement of brake shoes to avoid potentially hazardous situations on the road. In this video, we will look into the significance of the emergency parking brake shoe replacement, outlining the steps involved and emphasizing the critical role it plays in overall vehicle safety. Stay tuned to learn more about this essential maintenance task for your vehicle. Signs that indicate brake shoe replacement. You're tuned in to the pulse of your vehicle, noticing the subtle changes that signal when it's time for maintenance. Here are some common signs that might suggest a call to action for replacing your emergency parking brake shoes. Visual inspection. Start with a visual check of your brake shoes. Peek through the spokes of your wheels or inspect them from underneath if possible. Look out for telltale signs such as thinning brake pads, uneven wear patterns, or noticeable damage. If you spot any of these red flags, it's wise to seek the expertise of a professional for a thorough evaluation and precise diagnosis. Remember, being proactive can save you from unexpected brake failures down the road. Testing the emergency brake. Your emergency or parking brake is not just an auxiliary system but a safety measure crucial for your vehicle's overall functionality. Testing it should be a part of your routine maintenance. Engage the emergency brake as you normally would when parking, feeling for any unexpected resistance or lack thereof. A failed emergency brake test can sometimes point to underlying brake shoe issues. If you sense anything amiss during this test, it's a signal to delve deeper and investigate the state of your brake shoes for potential replacement needs. Tools and materials needed. When it comes to replacing emergency or parking brake shoes, having the right tools and materials at hand is crucial for a successful job. Here's a breakdown of what you'll need. Brake shoe replacement kit. Using a complete brake shoe replacement kit is essential for this task. These kits include all the necessary components you'll need, such as brake shoes, springs, pins, and clips. By ensuring you have a comprehensive kit, you can streamline the replacement process and avoid any delays due to missing parts. The convenience of having everything in one package simplifies the task and makes the job more manageable. Specialized tools. In addition to the replacement kit, having specialized tools can greatly assist you during the brake shoe replacement process. Tools like brake spring pliers make it easier to remove and install the springs that hold the brake shoes in place. A brake spoon can help you adjust the brake shoe position with precision. These specialized tools not only make the job more efficient but also ensure that you can work safely and effectively. Additional tools and safety equipment. Jack and jack stands for lifting and securing the vehicle. Lug wrench for removing the wheel's C-clamp for compressing the brake caliper. Brake cleaner to remove any dirt or grime. Gloves and safety goggles to protect your hands and eyes during the replacement. Penetrating oil to loosen any rusted or stuck components. Torque wrench for tightening bolts to the correct specifications. By having the right tools and safety equipment on hand, you can tackle the emergency or parking brake shoe replacement task confidently and efficiently. Remember, safety always comes first when working on your vehicle, so ensure you have the necessary gear to protect yourself throughout the process. Steps to replace emergency parking brake shoes. After locating a level surface, make sure to secure the vehicle properly before beginning the emergency parking brake shoe replacement process. Securing the vehicle. To start the process, park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the main brake system. For extra safety precautions, consider placing wheel chocks behind the wheels to prevent any movement. Removing the wheels and brake drum. Loosen the lug nuts before lifting the vehicle with a jack. Secure the car on jack stands for stability. Remove the wheels by fully unscrewing the lug nuts and gently pulling them off. Proceed to detach the brake drum by tapping it gently with a mallet to break any rust seals. Carefully slide the brake drum off to access the emergency parking brake shoes. Replacing the brake shoes. Examine the brake assembly for any signs of wear or damage before proceeding. Detach the springs and clips holding the old brake shoes in place. Take out the old brake shoes carefully, noting their position for the new installation. Install the new brake shoes by reversing the removal process, ensuring the adjusted brake shoes fit snugly. Adjust the brake shoes to the correct distance from the drum for optimal performance. Reattach the brake drum and wheels, ensuring everything is securely in place before lowering the vehicle. By following these detailed steps and tips for a smooth replacement, you can efficiently replace the emergency parking brake shoes on your vehicle, ensuring safety and proper functionality. Testing and final checks. After replacing the emergency parking brake shoes, it's crucial to conduct thorough testing and final checks to ensure that the brake system functions effectively. By following these steps, you can verify the proper installation of the new components and guarantee the safety and reliability of your vehicle's emergency brake system. Testing procedures. Engage the brake. Start by engaging the emergency brake lever or pedal and listen for any unusual sounds. The brake should engage smoothly without any excessive resistance or grinding noises. Verify wheel lock. Lift each wheel off the ground one at a time and attempt to rotate it. The wheel should lock up securely when the emergency brake is activated, indicating that the shoes are making proper contact with the drum. Check brake holding capacity. Park on a slight incline and engage the emergency brake. Ensure that the vehicle remains stationary without rolling, demonstrating that the brake can securely hold the vehicle in place. Inspect cable tension. Verify that the emergency brake cable is properly tensioned and adjusted to ensure optimal performance. The cable should not be loose or overly tight, as this can affect the brake's effectiveness. Final inspection tips. Visual inspection. Examine the brake assembly for any signs of wear, damage, or misalignment. Ensure that all components are securely fastened and properly positioned. Brake drum inspection. Inspect the brake drums for signs of scoring, excessive heat marks, or uneven wear patterns. Any irregularities should be addressed promptly to prevent further damage to the brake system. Road test. Take the vehicle for a brief test drive and apply the emergency brake at various speeds to confirm that it engages smoothly and effectively. Listen for any unusual sounds or vibrations that may indicate issues with the brake system. By following these testing procedures and final inspection tips, you can rest assured that your emergency parking brake shoe replacement has been completed, and your vehicle's brake system is in optimal working condition for safe driving. Don't overlook the significance of keeping your emergency parking brake shoe replacement up to date. Regular maintenance of your brake system is key to ensuring your safety on the road. By staying proactive with these simple repairs, you not only prevent potential accidents but also guarantee the optimal performance of your vehicle. So, don't wait until it's too late. Prioritize your brake system maintenance today for a smooth and safe driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.